Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Hoback Snacks collaboration Buster here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this guy? Nice wooden box. This guy comes with a set of Allen wrenches to take this guy apart. I love when the makers are doing that. These are some informations. Jake Hoback signed this certificate of authenticity. Really cool. And inside the box you've got some foamy thingy going on, and boom, you've got your Buster Snacks designed. It's a collaboration between Jake Hoback and Snacks, which is a Malaysian designer, and they made this big boy right over here. So let's quickly check how big this guy is. This is gonna be 9.5 inches overall in length, or like 24 centimeters, with a, I would say, like 4-inch long blade, or look at that, what is 10.2 centimeters, with a 5.25 inch long handle, corresponding to like 13.5 centimeters. So this is an interesting knife, guys. This is a titanium frame lock. It has been coated, and I mean, look at this. It looks good. I mean, it's a really clean look. Even if it's like intricate, there's a lot of things going on, of course, but it's like clean to a point. So it's very interesting. Nice lines, a titanium frame lock, M390 steel blade. It's a 4-inch long blade, so it's a big boy. The weight on this guy is over 6 ounces, I believe. Let me just check the card. Yeah, the card says 6.6 ounces. And it's like 6.4. Look at that. So very interesting. It's it's a big boy. It's a heavy boy. There is some internal skeletonization going on. There's like this honeycomb pattern which has removed some titanium, some material, but still it's like a heavy blade. You can feel it in the hand. It has been DLC black coated. The finish is called Fallout. It's a beautiful titanium frame. I really love it. Titanium backspacer with some jimping, lots of elements going on right over here. Very simple constructions, by the way. One pivot, one handle screw, and you're done. You can notice that the screw is just screwed into the lock side scale, which that's not always like the best idea, but you know, it's there. You can also see like the stop pin sticking out right over here. That's nice touch because it just gives a little pop of contrast right there. And you've got the Psalm number 23 and Hoback sign there. Snacks, of course, on the back right here. Nice honeycomb on the pocket clip, which is titanium, nicely milled, tip-up carry only, not reversible. You've got centering backspacer right over there, which looks really good. And I mean, this is a flipper, nice action. It's not like super fast, but it's smooth. Like deployment, not that fast, but smooth closing for sure. It's really cool. This guy runs on bearings, has the Hoback adjustable detent right there. It's a rolling detent, and it's really cool. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.